Garlic and honey recipe, health benefits. Eat the healthiest natural medicine for 7 days and regenerate your body. Combining garlic and honey can create a potent natural remedy with various health benefits. Both garlic and honey have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their medicinal properties. When combined, they can complement each other and provide additional health benefits. Here's a simple recipe and some of the potential health benefits. Ingredients: 1 bulb of fresh garlic, 1 cup of raw, organic honey. Instructions: peel and crush the garlic cloves to release their active compounds. Mix the crushed garlic with honey in a clean glass jar. Close the jar tightly and let the mixture sit at room temperature for at least 1–2 days to allow the flavors to infuse. Health benefits of garlic and honey mixture: boosts immune system. Both garlic and honey are known for their immune-boosting properties. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Honey also has antibacterial properties and can soothe a sore throat. Consuming this mixture can help strengthen your immune system and protect against common illnesses. Cardiovascular health. Garlic has been shown to have a positive impact on heart health. It may help lower blood pressure, reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and improve blood circulation. Honey, on the other hand, may have a beneficial effect on reducing triglycerides and improving overall heart health. Together, they can support cardiovascular well-being. Anti-inflammatory properties. Both garlic and honey have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be beneficial for people with conditions like arthritis or other inflammatory disorders. Digestive health. Garlic can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in better digestion. Honey is also known for its prebiotic properties, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Combining these two can help improve overall digestive health. Antioxidant benefits. Garlic and honey are rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and free radicals in the body. This can help slow down the aging process and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Respiratory health. The mixture of garlic and honey can be beneficial for respiratory health. Garlic's antimicrobial properties can help combat respiratory infections, while honey's soothing effect can ease cough and throat irritation. Note: while garlic and honey have numerous health benefits, it's essential to use them as part of a balanced diet and not as a replacement for medical treatment. Also, if you have any allergies or medical conditions, it's advisable to consult your healthcare provider before adding this mixture to your daily routine.